Have y'all ever heard of a nuclear cardio stress test? It's freaking crazy, and I felt like I was gonna die. So I've been having some health stuff going on, and I had to have surgery a couple weeks ago. And before they took me back for the surgery, the anesthesiologist came in, and she was looking at like my pre-admit stuff, and she said that she wasn't very happy with my EKG. So it wasn't bad enough for them not to do the surgery. So they did the surgery, and then I had to go to my regular doctor, and then my regular doctor had to refer me to a cardiologist. So then that's what I was doing today. So I went to a cardiologist, and they want to do this test where they give you an IV, which sucked to begin with because they tried to give it to me in my hand for some reason. I don't know if you can see it's all bruising now. So they tried to give it to me in my hand. It didn't work. She dug around in there forever, and it did not work. So they had to take it back out, and then they had to put it like in my arm where they normally would, which doesn't hurt. So I don't know why they didn't do that to begin with. And then you go in this room and you lay on this table, and the machine that looks kind of like a CAT scan machine is like there, and they slide you into it, but like your head's out of it, so it's like goes up to here. And that thing doesn't move or anything. Like, you know, the CAT scan thing like spins, but this one doesn't move at all. So you sit in there, and this test takes 25 freaking minutes of you sitting in there or laying there on this bed. So they slide you into it. They give you an injection of radioactive fluid of some sort, so that everything will glow so they can see it. And then this machine like takes pictures of you. So basically, I guess it's like a giant x-ray machine. I don't know. So that takes pictures of you, and then they pause it for a second. They come back in, and they give you another injection. That's the injection that makes you feel like you're gonna die. Like, your heart rate, well, at least for me, my heart raced. I felt like I couldn't breathe. Like, my chest felt super heavy. I felt like I was kind of like when you're having a panic attack or something. That's what it felt like. It was terrible. So they do that, and they say that that's only supposed to last for like 30 seconds, but for me it lasted all the way till the end of the test. So then they pull you out of that, and then you're done, and you wait for your results. But it was crazy. So I